Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you a very popular music video effect that you may have seen in Lamborghini High and other trippy music videos. It basically messes up the data in the video, and it can act as a transition or just a video effect. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and with that being said, let's get straight into it. So right here, I got a bunch of clips, and the reason I have a bunch is because I'm going to show you how to use this as an effect on a singular clip and how to use this as a transition with multiple clips. So right here, I got the Suburban White Kid rap starter pack, and we're just going to export it. So you can go to File, Export. You don't have to use Premiere Pro. I just wanted to show you guys the sequence. So I already exported it. Before you get started with anything else, you want to download VLC Player, which will allow you to convert and actually play the video. Otherwise, you probably won't be able to play it just because the data is messed up. Next, you want to download Avid Emux, and you want to download this specific version. It's 2.5.4. This is where you're going to do the data moshing. So once you're done exporting, you want to go to File, Open. So I have it right here, and you want to press No whenever there's a pop-up. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to the video mode right here. You want to go to Xvid. You want to go to Configure, Frame, and set it at 9999999. The newer versions won't allow you to do that. I think there's a cap. That's why you want this version. Once you're done, you want to go to File, Save Video. Save it as an AVI file. So just add it at the end. So let's say rap.avi, and then it's going to save. So boom, the export time doesn't take long, but I assume that's just because my clips are very low quality. Once you're done that, you want to import it back, and then we're going to start the data moshing. So it's going to take a second. Now it's done. You want to close this. So File, Close, File, Open, go to Wrap right here. And basically, like I said before, there's two different effects, one as a transition and one as an effect. So we're going to do the transition one first. So before we do anything, we actually want to change the mode back to copy. So you want to go to every iframe. Iframes appear when there's a new clip. You can see every time I press the up arrow, it moves to a new clip. So you can either press the up arrow to go to every iframe, or you can press the double play button, or I think fast forward button. It does the same thing. So basically, we want to delete every iframe. Because the first iframe is like the first one, we don't want to do it because it's not going to be a transition. So we want to go to like the second or third iframe. So right here, we want to press A to select an endpoint. We want to move one frame right. So you want to press the right arrow key to move one frame. And now we want to press B. This will select the iframe, and now we want to delete it. So you can press the delete button, or you can go to Edit, Delete. So we want to do this for every single iframe. So you can press the up arrow, goes to the next one, right arrow key, B, delete. So I just finished. So what you want to do is go to File, Save Video. Once again, you want to save it as an AVI. So mosh.avi. And if I play it in VLC Player, you'll be able to see it. And then with VLC Player, you'll also be able to convert it to like an MP4. So it's done. So we can go to Open File, Mosh. And now you can see the transition. So pretty dope. So I'm going to just show you the rest of them. I think that one's cool. That one's cool as well. This one's cool. Anything with motion is usually better. So that's the first one. The first one's pretty simple. So I'm going to go back here, and we're going to close this. Now we're going to open the original one, which is rap. And now what you want to do for this one, we want to do something similar, except we don't want to delete anything. We actually want to copy every P frame, and we want to paste them a bunch of times. So you can use the right arrow key to find the P frames. So right here, same thing. But instead of deleting, we can go ahead and copy it. And we're just going to paste it a bunch of times. So I pasted it like, I don't even know, 10 times. Also keep in mind, don't paste too quickly or it's going to crash. I think this is the older software, so you might have issues with that. Mine just crashed like 2 times because I was pasting it like crazy. So I'm actually gonna not do the whole video because I don't want it to crash. So you typically want to do it where there's motion, like when he smiles or something, because it will create the best effect. I'm gonna do this as the last one. Okay, so let's just say we're done. We want to go to save video, final. So I'll save and we're gonna open up in VLC and I'm gonna show you everything. So boom, open up VLC. And what you can do is you can actually open it up in your editor and you can mix and match the two. Oh, I forgot AVI at the end, but I don't think that matters that much. So final P-frame. You can see like there's a subtle effect. If there was way more paste, it would do more. But yeah, you guys can see what that does. So basically once you're done, you want to go to convert and save, add those files. So I think this was Mosh. And then you want to convert and save it. You can select the video type. So typically mine's an MP4. So H.264 plus MP3. And then select the destination file, final. So it's going through it. So it should be done. So we're going to go to file, import. So there it is. So now you can see you can actually play it. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, hit the thumbs up button. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.